Washington's top news, traffic, and weather, keeping you informed 24/7, 365.
Good Wednesday morning. Welcome into WTOP. It's 3:47.
This is a test of the Washington, D.C. Metropolitan Operational Area Emergency Alert System. This is a coordinated monthly test of the broadcast and cable stations in your area. Equipment that can quickly warn you during emergencies is being tested. If there's been an actual emergency, official messages will follow this alert tone. This concludes our test of the emergency alert system.
Hey, who wants gum?
I do. Thanks.
Jumping.
Alexandria headed up toward Crystal City. For the moment, northbound Route 1 stopped right at Potomac Avenue. That has...
This is a coordinated monthly test of the broadcast and cable stations in your area. Equipment that can quickly warn you during emergencies is being tested. If there's been an actual emergency, official messages will follow this alert tone. This concludes our test of the emergency alert system. Being tested. If there's been an actual emergency, official messages will follow this alert tone. This concludes our test of the emergency alert system.
Springfield for 8 a.m. Thursday is 3.0, and for 8 a.m. This is a test of the All Hazards NOAA weather radio warning device. During potentially dangerous weather situations, specially built weather radios will be automatically activated to warn of the impending hazards. Tests of these radios and the warning alarm system will be conducted by the National Weather Service every Wednesday between 11 a.m. and noon. If there is a threat of severe weather, the test will be postponed to the next available good weather day. Reception of this broadcast and the warning alarm system will vary at any given location. This variability, normally more noticeable at greater distances from the transmitter, will occur even though you are using a good quality receiver in perfect working order. To provide the most consistent warning service possible, the warning alarm will only be activated for warnings and selected watches affecting the listening area. Here is a look at the weather features that will affect the region over the next several days. Brisk conditions expected today under clear skies. Low pressure systems will impact the area Thursday into Friday, and then again Saturday evening into Saturday night, bringing continued bouts of unsettled weather to the region. Now for the official National Weather Service forecast for the Washington metro area and the surrounding KHB listening area. Rest of today, sunny. Highs in the lower 60s. West winds 10 to 15 miles an hour with gusts up to 25 miles an hour.